Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I've never did one of these. We are going to be talking about one of the new Sephora Favorites Hello Kits. These retail for, I want to say $10. They're relatively cheap and you get some sample size products in here. It does say this is the May Hello bag, and I didn't see this on their website like a week ago or nothing. But anyways, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. And yeah, let's get to seeing what's inside here. Okay, so the first thing that is awesome about these Hello Favorites kits is they give you a 15% off voucher towards one item that you can purchase from this bag that you receive. One of these items, you can purchase it in a full size, and they give you the coupons on the back of this card, and you'll be able to get 15% off. So I think that's an awesome little, incentive to purchase the $10 little thing, or I think it's just a nice little added bonus, So the first thing I see that we got is this Living Proof Intense Moisture Mask. It is for your hair. It's a hair treatment. Looks like it just says usage after shampooing, apply generously to roots, leave on for 5 minutes. So it sounds like it's just a good hair mask. You do get a good sized tube here. I feel like you could probably at least get 2 to 3 uses out of this, and you would be able to tell like if you actually enjoyed this or not with the size of this being, I'd say this is a deluxe sample size. So I'm excited to try this out. I love good hair masks. Next thing we got is by Caudalie. This is the Skin Perfecting Serum. It doesn't have any instructions back here on how to use this product, so I will just have to look this up. So here's what the product looks like. It is a small little tube, but granted you are getting samples in this bag. So yeah, excited to try this out. Next we got one of the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original. I'm excited for this. I really like these lip glosses, and this will last me forever. I honestly just prefer buying mini lipsticks or lip glosses if I can. I'm so excited that, we're able to start wearing lip glosses again where I live and enjoy wearing them because the mask mandate has been lifted. So super excited about this. Gonna absolutely put that to good use. The next thing we got is this Glowy Makeup Serum by Laneige. It's a hydrating, long-lasting makeup wear for all skin types. This is adorable. It comes in this itty bitty little squeezy bottle. So here's what it looks like. This little thing compared to my hand is just like, it's just so tiny. So cute. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'm going to put a little on my hand here and see like how it works into the skin. I have a real problem with serums, especially going on my face before makeup. If it's going to leave a greasy film on my skin, it's going to be a no bueno for me because I have to have a mattified skin because I have oily skin. So I don't know if I will actually be able to use this product or not. The next thing we got is by Kiehl's. It is a Midnight Recovery Concentrate, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. Okay, so it just comes in this little cardboard thing, and it too is a very teensy weensy little squeezy bottle. So But something like this for nighttime, you can actually get a lot of uses out of that. I don't mind using serums at night because when I get up I'll be washing my face off, and I know that, you know, some serums are good for oily skin. So I will be trying this out. And the last thing we get is a sample of one of my Ride or Die colognes, which is awesome that you get to try out a cologne in this bag every month. I have seen others like in the past, but I've just never purchased them. But when I saw you could get a sample of this cologne in this bag, and you'll get a 15% off if you want to buy the cologne, which that is what I'm going to do with this because I own this in the full size and I'm almost out. But you get the YSL Libre Eau Parfum sample. This cologne, if you love warm, woodsy, vanilla-y scents, you will love this cologne. And this cologne lasts on me almost all day. Like, I can wear it to work and I can still be smelling it at like 2 and 3 o'clock. It just, like, it works good with my DNA. Like, I don't know, but it lasts so good on my skin. I know, like, with other people, colognes last differently for all people, but I love this one. It just smells so good. And I'm excited to have gotten it in the bag and to be able to use the 15% off coupon. These coupons last for a whole year. It says they do not expire until May of 22. So I have a whole year to be able to purchase this. So this is awesome. Like, so like if you're in a money crunch right now and you're like, oh, you know, I can't really afford to purchase this right now, these coupons will be here whenever you can, which is amazing. I hate it whenever like stores and stuff will give you a coupon, but it only lasts for like a week. I'm like, look, I just purchased something. I ain't gonna be back in a week. Personal rant right there. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a short, sweet little video showing you the new Sephora Favorites Kit for the month of May. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you leave and subscribe if you've not already. And yeah, don't forget that you're absolutely stunning. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.